Hello guys, welcome to another video lesson. Many of you ask me that how to find the best order blocks. In order to find the best order blocks, you have to understand some, some fundamental things behind the order blocks. For example, see here, market is full of order blocks, okay? See here, we have this order block, but it was not respected. Can you see that? Then again here we have this order block and it was respected. Then again here we have this order block, it was respected, and then we have this order block here and it was not respected. Okay, market is just full of order blocks. This is order block, this is order block, this is order block, this is order block. Okay, what is the order block? This order block is like, you can see that these small few basing candles are an order block. Okay, these few basing candles are an order block. Okay, order block can be formed in two ways. There are only two ways you can have an order block. One is rally, base, rally, and another is drop, base, drop. And this is the one, this formation is for buying, this formation is for buying, and this formation is for selling. Drop, base, drop, rally, base, rally. And now we have another one, and that is belly and pigs. Okay, so when you have some basing structure here, and then from here market goes up, it becomes our order block. And same thing here, market going up, up, then market made a peak, make some basing candles, then market falls. That one here became our order block. Okay guys, so in order to identify the best order blocks, you have to understand the market direction. You have to find the order blocks according to the market direction, not against the market direction. What is the market direction? Let's say here, for example, here, let's say here we can see that market was going up. You see the market was going up from here. Let me just go to the weekly chart. Here we have a weekly demand. Okay, there was a weekly demand. And now if I go to the daily chart, you can see that market actually respecting this weekly demand and market going up. And when market going up from this weekly demand, market made a CP just right here, okay? Can you see that? One second. Now if you go to the 4 hour chart, of course we are in a buying, mood, so we want to buy. Now if you go to the 4 hour chart, and now if you just want to trade all these order block, selling order block, let's say here, this one here, let's say you want to sell this one here. Okay, of course it worked, but this is low probability. But for example, you want to sell here, okay, not this one, or yeah, you want to sell this order block here, it's not working. Why it's not working? Because in the daily time frame, market is showing us that market will go up. Okay, so first weekly in the weekly demand, the buyer was in control. Then in the daily, there was the weekly, so you can see the buyer was in control. Then in the daily, you can see that in the daily, the buyer's control again in the daily chart. And then of course we're gonna buy, we're gonna have to find the buying side order blocks. So now here you can see that this order block here, it worked, and now you can make good money. And now we have another order block. One second, we have another order block here, and if I just go forward, we will see here we have got another order block here. Now let me just go forward, and we have got another order block here, And now, of course, if I go to the daily chart, we can see that it's a very strong uptrend, and we can buy, and so that was a order block here. Then if you can see here, okay, 1 second, we have this order block here on the buying side. The daily trend is up, market is going up, and then this is not valid anymore because yeah, this is valid. This order block still valid, of course. I can see that, because why this order block valid? After this order block here made that imbalance, market actually did not consolidate away. Okay, that's why this order block still valid. Okay, so it did work, this trade, and now it doesn't make any sense if you want to sell, if you want to sell here, or if you want to sell here, it doesn't make any sense. So in order to find the best order blocks, you have to go with the trend. Okay, you have to follow the higher time frames. Okay, and that's the way you can get it done. Okay guys, there is no other way to find the best order blocks. And when finding the best order blocks, you have to also think about one thing. Just 1 second. See, you have to look for these strong impulses after these two basing candles. Strong impulse. This is order block. After this basing structure, strong impulse to the upside. Okay, and then we have this order block here after two basing structure, strong move to the downside. Okay, and maybe here after this peak, market fallen, that become an imbalance. Market reacted from here, and then also market respected these demand zone. Okay, you could, if you just went to 4 hours chart, you would have find many trades. Okay guys, so it's very important that you find the best setups, and trade with the trend. For example, here we have these imbalance right here, it was respected. Okay, so you have to look for these imbalances, these impulses. Okay, strong impulses. Okay, that's how you're gonna find a good order block, according with the trend, not against the higher time frame trend. Okay, not against the, if buyers in control in higher time frame, you don't want to sell. If sellers in control in higher time frame, you don't want to find a order block that's saying buying. Okay, so you have to find order block according to the higher time frame. Thank you guys.